is my 1963 Vespa VBB. I've had the scoot for about 10 years now. When I bought it, it was restored for me. Only thing I've done to the scoot since I've had it is I replaced the old worn out engine with a more modern LML engine that I bought and installed. The purpose of this video is to go through the tools that I carry in the scoot for road trips. I thought it would be interesting for people to see and make comments on and let me know their thoughts with regards to that. This is going to be a bit of a surprise to me. I don't recall what I have in here, but I do know that when I put it together, I took some time and effort to make sure that I had everything that I needed. So, let's go and find out what we got going. The tools are kept in this wonderful little glove compartment. First thing I have is some polish. There's a polish rag. This is all my license information. Okay, you can see I've got a small bottle of some two-stroke oil inside there, some spare lamps. I have a flashlight, you may be able to see from our trusty Harbor Freight. I have over there some cables, brake cables and clutch cables, I think, maybe gear shift cables, and I have a bungee cord as well. But really what I wanted to see what was inside this red bag. Okay, holding the camera and doing this with one hand may be a little problematic, but okay. So, first things first, my favorite little socket set. Bought that from Costco. I absolutely love it. A little shifter, a multi-screwdriver. This is a pocket knife, multi-use pocket knife or knife. A spark plug extractor, spare spark plug, tube of super glue, a small little clamp, a blade and a scraper, cable ties, some wire, a hose clamp, a full set of metric wrenches, or spanners as I call them, another multiplier thingamabob, a spark plug gap measure, most importantly a bag with headache pulls. That's a little bit of electrical tape. That's a little bit of double-sided tape. I remember winding those onto a straw to get a little bit. And then a bag of various different nuts and bolts. Could be used for multiple things. I see I have some cable holders and various nuts and bolts. So that's kind of what I would take, or what I do take on my road trips. This is a 1963 scooter, so I don't go very far. I think the furthest I've gone on the scooter is a 50-mile one-way, 100-mile trip. It's a rough ride, but a tremendous amount of fun. So there you have it. I thought I'd share that with you. See if you have any interest in any kind of videos for other kinds of road trip tool bags.